Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dry wheatgrass at home. Start by harvesting your wheatgrass at its peak, typically when it's about 6 to 8 inches tall. Use clean, sharp scissors to snip the blades just above the soil, leaving the root system intact for potential regrowth. This ensures you get the most potent and nutrient-rich grass for drying. Make sure the blades are clean and dry before moving to the next step. After harvesting, gently rinse your wheatgrass under cool, running water to remove any dust or impurities. It's crucial to pat it completely dry with a clean towel or paper towels. Excess moisture can hinder the drying process and potentially lead to mold. Take a moment to inspect and discard any discolored or damaged blades. There are a few effective ways to dry your wheatgrass. For air drying, spread it in a single layer on a mesh screen in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated space for several days. Alternatively, a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, about 105 degrees Fahrenheit, works wonderfully, typically taking 4 to 6 hours. You can also use an oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar. Once your wheatgrass is completely dry and brittle, it's ready for storage. Store it in an airtight container, like a glass jar, in a cool, dark place to preserve its nutrients and vibrant color for up to 6 months. You can then grind it into a fine powder using a coffee grinder or blender, making it perfect for smoothies or drinks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.